Can a stroller this small actually work for everyday life? We're trying the Joolz Aer2 in case you aren't able to.
Starting with what you'll love about it.
A big update from the Air Plus to this Air 2 is that they made it newborn compatible. So you don't need an extra attachment, you don't need to put anything in or out, it's already integrated in here. So before, when you would unzip this, there's like adjustments on the straps back here and it made it really clunky and like uneven, but now they made it so that you just have to unhook it and it's a full recline. They also updated the leg rest and now it's a full leg rest.
Oh, and it just flattens completely. Yeah. I don't know many travel strollers that come newborn ready, so this is definitely a game changer.
Game changer. So when it comes to the fold, it's one-handed, which we know is perfect for holding a baby, juggling all your bags.
So convenient.
Last thing you want to do is have to use 2 hands for this.
Okay.
Boom.
I love that.
And it stands on its own.
And then same when I open it?
You press the button.
Okay.
And pull on the handle.
Okay, that's really nice.
With its lightweight frame, you can really tell when you hold it by its carry strap because you don't feel the weight on your shoulders at all.
I love that. I feel like with other strollers too, sometimes the carrying strap is hidden or it doesn't have a strap. Wow, this is really light. I feel like this weighs just as much as my diaper bag.
The details on this feel very premium. So it's a cushioned handlebar. The fabric is really nice, very chic colorway.
Yeah, the color is gorgeous. I love this.
A very sleek frame. The Joolz Aer2, similar to the Air Plus, has a very compact frame. It is small, but it is mighty. So it can fit through narrow aisles, little passageways, honestly perfect for city living.
Yeah, you definitely want to be able to get through the crowd easily and it looks super compact.
Not only that, but it is perfect for travel because with its compact fold, it actually fits in an airline overhead bin.
I love to hear that because you don't always want to check your stroller at the gate. So just the idea of having my stroller with me on the plane is really good.
As far as the storage basket goes, it is pretty comparable to most travel strollers, so it's not the biggest, but I am able to still fit a good amount of things in there.
The basket definitely looks smaller than what it actually can hold.
And it has a really easy brake. All you gotta do, 1 tap to brake and 1 tap to release. When it comes to maneuverability and ride, as you can see for a lightweight stroller, it does still stay stable through all the different terrain due to the all-wheel suspension. What's nice about this is you can actually just maneuver it with 1 hand too. So this is very handy if you're holding a bunch of stuff or another child. It also has a taller handlebar for a lightweight stroller, which can be great for taller parents.
So for me, the handlebar is a bit high. I do understand that it is a lightweight stroller, so it's not going to be adjustable, but it is really comfortable, so I still like it.
As far as keeping your child comfortable, the canopy does extend pretty far for a lightweight stroller. Look at that.
I love that.
And it does have a mesh paneling here so that you can still see your baby too. It does have a really easy buckle, but when you do click this button, it does release all of them at once. So that is something to consider if you have a very squirmy child. You have to be prepared
as soon as it opens up. Yeah.
And then with the new update, they did change the harness. So now instead of just adjusting in the front, you do have to adjust it through the back a bit more. And to do these bottom ones, it's actually through the bottom. So it is a little trickier to adjust, but by doing that, they made it look more seamless so it wasn't a bunch of pointless straps everywhere. And for newborn compatibility, you can also buy adapters separately that allow you to attach some infant car seats. And you can also add on a bassinet. And lastly, for value and affordability, it is average when it comes to high-end lightweight strollers. But you can tell from the premium detailing, the comfortability of the baby, newborn compatibility, all these premium features really justify its price point.
The color, the straps, really sleek. I definitely agree.
Have any more questions about the Joolz Aer2?
Or is there other baby gear you'd like to see us try? Let us know in the comments below.
Thanks for watching Babylist Tries It, where we try baby gear in case you aren't able to.